What a dumbass.
Oh. Great. Just great. All right.
Companies are already making their Super Bowl ad plans. The Wall Street Journal says Viacom CBS is planning to charge about the same for a 30-second spot as it did last year, $5.5 million. But this year it will require advertisers to buy about $200,000 worth of time on the game's live stream. Advertisers also...
And there they go again. Oh, here. I get them.
A gorilla who could actually draw. That's a game changer.
Disney's The One and Only Ivan, directed by Thea Sherrick. Rated PG. Parental guidance suggested. Streaming August 21st. Exclusively on Disney+.
Let me tell you a thing or two about the people who don't compromise. They love Pepsi Zero Sugar. Why? Because it's got all the flavor and zero the sugar. How's that for not compromising? They're the sort of person that likes serve with their turf. And the drink with their feast? Yeah, they have a Pepsi Zero Sugar.
Strictly the Buddha. And I admit I do have a problem. Have an attitude if I go a day without it. That's why the scenery is cloudy. Spraying the can of ozone, I'm getting nothing out of it. I hold a blunt, I be steaming high, meaning I don't backspin.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Show. See you at 9, Newstock 820, WBAP. Zero revs. As you look at your carpeting, services, dirty, you don't you just have all 21437 clean. Get the Hal J. Special. Ask for that. 3 rooms, pre-treated, clean, zero rest, $599. That's 3 rooms, pre-treated, clean, and zero resified, only $99. By the way, Zero Rest uses the same patented cleaning system to clean the office and the business. So if you're in charge of the office, if you're the HR director, need to get it all cleaned up, or whatever the case may be, you're the office manager, call them and have them come out. 21437 clean. They'll use their patented powers. Water system on your carpeting and your surfaces, and it'll get them all clean, smelling good, with no soap together. Zero.
Yeah.
No, you tell me.
Oh, okay.
George Shore Road.
Oh.
Okay.
What is he doing?
He's part of.
They say that when the 48 hours are up, the new digitally detox winner will be provided an internet hotspot so they could post about their experience online. Applicants must be at least 25 years old and have a
Because it's not an uncommon thing to happen in the hotel business.
Ben Roethlisberger did the same thing. He called down and said, my TV's broken. The lady comes up to check the TV, and then she accused him of rape.
Different exotic animals, and I don't know if you remember, he had a snake the size of a pencil. I mean, it was as long as a...
Piscina ni mierda. 375 me cobran mañana para ponerme toda la hierba nueva para atrás. ¿Sabes lo que es?